Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy a domain on Squarespace. First of all you have to do is type buy domain on Squarespace and hit enter. From here you have to make sure that this link that you are going to click is not sponsored. So I will scroll down a bit. From here you will see Squarespace domains. Click on it. You have to click start here, start your search here. You have to click, or you have to type in the website that you want to, or the domain name that you want to buy. For example, I will type the name of the domain. From here you will see I have a bunch of options from .com, .net, .org, or whatever. You can see these are all of the options, and all of the prices are mentioned on above, or you can see in front of the whatever domain that you want to like. For example, if you want to buy this domain.me, it is $20. I will click on it. From here you have to select checkout now, or you can see there are some other options that you can add. .net, .org, .com. If you want to add these as well, you can add them too. So I will just click on checkout. So you have to sign in with your account. I will click on continue with Google. From here you have to select 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or whatever. I will select 1 year and I will click on save and continue. From here you have to add in your name, your email address, your phone number, your street address, city, state, postal code, country, and organization. It is optional. Once you've entered all of the information, you have to click on save and continue. On the next page it will ask you for the payment details. You have to enter your card number. After that you have successfully bought a domain on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.